You've probably seen the videos. I microdose Ozempic. No nausea, lost weight, life-changing. But is this one of the biggest health breakthroughs of the decade, or another viral trend racing ahead of the science? Today, we're putting Ozempic microdosing under the microscope. Microdosing generally refers to using much smaller amounts of semaglutide, or taking doses farther apart than the approved schedule. Here's the important part. There is no standardized medical definition and no approved protocol. People are trying it for three reasons: cost, side effects, and longevity claims. Those motivations are understandable, but popularity doesn't equal proof. At the time of this video, there are no clinical trials demonstrating that microdosing semaglutide improves weight loss, blood sugar, or longevity. The official introductory dose wasn't intended to produce major results. It helps patients adapt before increasing to maintenance doses that were actually studied. That doesn't prove microdosing can never work. It means we don't yet have evidence showing that it does. Stories are powerful. Some people improve their diet, exercise more, or experience placebo effects. Social media also tends to amplify success stories while failures quietly disappear. That's exactly why randomized trials exist. Microdosing also carries risks, including dosing mistakes and uncertainty with some products. If cost or side effects are your concern, speak with your healthcare professional. Supervised dose adjustments are very different from experimenting on your own. Could future research support microdosing? It's possible. Science evolves. But today, evidence comes before excitement. If you enjoy science without the hype, subscribe to What the Health YT. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you next time.